Trending stocks, we have TGL, TWG, WHLR, MTVA, SUGP, and FULC. TGL up 133.88%. This is adding to what it had printed earlier on. Yeah, it had, let's see what we have in terms of volumes for TGL. Okay, just approaching its average volume. Okay, high beta as well. Volatility, you can see what we have here, massive, really massive. Do we need to bother to see what's going on? It's a low float stock, yeah. Why Confluent shares are trading high around at 2%. Okay, Treasury TGL resumes a trade. Okay, no, that was 2 days ago. Yeah, let's see TGL. Let's see the 4-hour chart. Yeah, okay. The expansion is expected to remain in place up till at least Friday, up till tomorrow. Tomorrow, the pre-market session of tomorrow, and then after that, the contraction may print. Okay, yeah. At some point, a pullback is expected. 140.01 is the projection. Yeah. Coin price is 58.25. Yeah, pullback is expected. You can see here on Friday it gained again. It had a gain of 276.44%. Let's see whether there's any news for TGL. Okay, halted twice, halted up 8 times I think on Friday. So yeah, expect a pullback to occur. This is not the best time to get involved. Not the best time to get involved, just in case you're trying to jump back in. TWG up 81.36%. Intraday high in this pre-market session 15.95. TWG, it was also moving on Friday. So far 2.975 million shares have crossed the tape. It's also one of those low float stocks. Yeah, let's see TWG. Let's see what we have. Contraction of expansion is expected to play out from Tuesday the 12th. Yeah, no, sorry, Tuesday, that's tomorrow midday. So the extrapolation is saying that there's a good chance it might hold it today. Yeah, there's a good chance that might be what's going to happen. And the 40 period moving average is rising to catch any retracements. Okay. Projections are currently saying 5.79. Yeah, so it's natural to expect a pullback to occur. Algos are saying that it's going to happen. They're saying that it's going to happen. If it doesn't happen now, it will happen later on. Just like the other one, not the best time to, just like TGL, not the best time to jump in. Yeah, not the best time to jump in. Yeah. WHLR. Down 20.12%. Yes, it had a run on Friday as well. We haven't seen anything close to what it had. What we have right now is not close to what its 50-day average. 50-day average is. High beta as well. Volatility is very high as well. Yeah. Yeah, just correcting the expansion of Friday. WHLR. And indeed also low float. Okay, so yeah, the contraction is expected to remain in place up till the end of today's trading session. Then in the post market session, it might run again. So if you want to get involved, just see whether this might be something you want to try. If it continues to pull back up to the end of today's trading session, yeah, projections are currently saying 4.11. We have 7.95 upper projection. As of this was that printed on Friday. MTVA up 39.94%. Intraday high on Friday 26.47. It's still rallying. Let's see MTVA. Okay, above its average volume. Not a high beta stock as well, but quite a volatile stock. MTVA, let's see, is there any news for MTVA? there might be some news. It's a biotech stock, it seems. Okay, yeah, okay, it's actually contracting expansion. Okay, yeah, actually contracting expansion. Yeah. So yeah, I think in the post-market session it gained. Yeah, you can see here 11.85. So it gained in the post-market session. So it's it gained in the post-market session, and is also contracting that expansion. So it might actually remain in place up till the contraction may remain in place up till the 11th. That's Thursday the 11th, and then after that it might resume the uptrend. Projections are currently saying 8.52 down projection, but it has 26.47. Let's see what we have, if there's any news for MTVA. Yeah, opted it may be a low float stock. Yeah, twice as of I think Thursday or so, thereabouts, you know. Let's see. MTVA, SUGP. Okay, just up 7.14%. Let's see. SUGP, what do we have? Yeah, highly volatile, no, S not Y, not SY. SUGP. Yeah, still a volatile stock as well. Okay, so it got a bounce. Yeah, a slight bounce, and it's expected to contract it somewhat and then resume again by resume the bounce from tomorrow, the pre-market session of tomorrow. May hold it up till Monday the 15th. No guarantee that will be the case. Projections are saying 6.91, 7.54, 7.92. Current price is $6. I think SCGP might be a low float stock. SUGP. Okay, yeah, okay, it's I think it's yeah, yeah, low float, you can see that. Yeah, short interest 11.26. Yeah, it is a low float stock. FULC up for 43.82%, approaching its average 50-day average volume. Volatility is expected to expand in the coming days. High beta stock as well. FULC, okay, reports a positive initial phase 1B pioneer to 20 milligram cohort data for Poseridia in sickle cell disease at ASH, showing robust HbF induction and favorable safety, and will host an investor event. Okay, must have done so yesterday. Okay, not a low float stock, it's just trending. FULC, okay. FULC, let's see what we have. Okay, huge yeah, intraday high 14.92 has pulled back from those highs. FULC. Okay, yeah, okay, so the strength is expected to remain in place up till the pre-market session of no, as a matter of fact, up till Wednesday the 10th. Okay, and then after that it might go into a contraction. No guarantee that will be the case. Okay, projections are saying 10.13. It's a down projection. Yeah, so the momentum is expected to just remain elevated up till Monday, as Wednesday the 10th as well. Yeah, the 10-period moving average is rising to catch any pullback, but just most of these stocks, they've all run up huge gains, so not the best time to get involved, but you know, let's see how it goes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.